I took out my sketchbook today, the one where I doodle without worrying too much about the results. This is my go-to sketchbook whenever I want to draw but not spend too much time on it. You can clearly see how tiny it is. Is it just me, or does your brain also wander while you're making art? Mine definitely does. And while I was sketching this, I kept thinking about something I don't quite understand. How and why being self-taught became this cool, almost elite thing. Don't get me wrong, I have immense respect for people who are self-taught. It takes time, money, and energy to invest in a hobby and turn it into a skill. But let's be real, for most of us, that's just not doable. We have responsibilities, we have work, we are short on time, maybe even money. And after a long day, we don't always have the energy to sit down and practice something we're not yet good at. Learning a skill takes patience, endless trial and error, and a lot of time, sometimes years, before we can even call ourselves good at it. Speaking for myself, I'd say I'm partially self-taught. I took art classes as a kid, but I didn't continue because of academic pressure. However, those early lessons gave me a foundation. I learned about different mediums, surfaces, how to hold a brush, and how to approach basic paintings. Having that base made a huge difference later when I decided to explore a completely new medium, gouache, and dive into landscapes, something I had never been confident in before. But even with that foundation, it still took me years to refine my skills. Luckily, I started when the world went into a lockdown, so I had the time to practice, experiment, and improve without external pressures. But do we have that kind of time and energy now? Can we afford to spend years figuring things out on our own, making mistakes, getting frustrated, and trying again with no clear direction? Wouldn't it be easier to learn from someone who has already walked that path, so we can fast track our progress instead of spending endless hours struggling? If self-teaching was really that easy, most schools and colleges wouldn't exist. I'm not saying formal education is the only way to learn, but it does give you direction. Every artist, even the great ones, learned from somewhere. Art schools don't just teach you techniques, they expose you to different styles, different ways of thinking, and even have you study the masters to understand their thought processes before you develop your own. That's the real value of structured learning. It teaches you how to think, and once you know how to think, you can apply that to your art. So the next time someone says they're self-taught, appreciate the effort that went into it, but also remember you don't have to be self-taught to be a great artist. Learning from someone else, whether it's through a course, a mentor, or even a YouTube tutorial, doesn't make you any less skilled. In fact, it often makes your journey smoother. Instead of spending years lost in trial and error, you get guidance, structure, and direction so you can focus on applying what you learn and actually enjoy the process. At the end of the day, what really matters is that you're creating, whether you learn on your own or from someone else. What counts is that you're growing, improving, and finding joy in what you do. So if you're on this journey, keep going, keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep making mistakes, because that's how we all get better. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think being self-taught is the ideal way to learn, or do you prefer structured learning? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to have a conversation about it. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me out and lets me create more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.